Welcome to day 3 of my Vietnam adventure. Right now, I'm in the cab heading to the Ho Chi Minh airport because apparently my journey isn't done torturing my sleep schedule. Saigon told me, bro, don't go. We still have noodle soup left. And Hanoi said, come fast, I'll show you the real cold weather and the better coffee. So obviously, I choose coffee. Here's my flight taking off, and the little plane is carrying all my hopes, dream, and one packet of snack I bought for no reason. Next stop, Hanoi. Let's see what chaos, comfort, and food this city planning to throw at me today.
Felt the pressure of the outside. Come to me. Let me help you. 'Cause I just can't stay here.
Alright, I've officially landed in Hanoi, and the moment I stepped out of the airport, the vibe flips completely. No skyscrapers, no shiny towers, just an old charming city that looks like it is being maintained in history for centuries. Hanoi is all about narrow street, vintage building, and the classic organized chaos energy. And with that, my airport clip is over. So let's go. Time to hit the road and check into my hotel before Hanoi decide to surprise me even more. Alright, so finally I'm at Hanoi. It's a 1 hour, more than a 1 hour journey. This room is not too big, but it is artistically done. It's clean and nice. And you will see now that how the room looks like. It's very nice as it was shown in the picture and the Google map. I would recommend everyone to book this place from booking.com or any other app which is trusted. So far, whatever I have booked from booking.com is exactly how it looked like, so I know exactly where I'm going, and this is as beautiful as previous one, but not spacious as previous one, but it's enough because I'm going to stay only 1 day here because tomorrow I have to go some other place, Halong Bay. So it's good enough for 1 day just to sleep. I think now I will go out. I'll get fresh. I'll go out because I'm planning to go to this train street wherein it's famous here in Hanoi. I think that's the only thing I want to capture today. So this is Hanoi famous train street, and yes, before you ask, this is real neighborhood, not a movie set. People here literally live their best life right next to the railway track. You will find cafes squeezed so close together that if you stretch your arms, you might accidentally touch someone's lunch. Every corner has cute little shop, aunties selling snacks, uncles chilling like it's most normal thing, and tourists like me walking around pretending we are cool but secretly wondering, wait, where does the train even fit in? It's cozy, colorful, chaotic, and somehow peaceful at the same time. Honestly, this place has more vibe in one lane than some cities have it in a whole map. Right now I am just exploring before things get a lot louder. And here it comes, the star of the show. Hanoi's Train Street isn't just a name, it's a full-on adrenaline ride. 1 second you are sipping coffee and next whoosh, the train roars like it owns the place. Yup, this is the world's most intense front row seat on foot. One day is short, yet stories unfold. In Hanoi Street, history whisper bold. Tomorrow awaits with the Halong Bay waves and another adventure, another heart to brave.